I'm Katerina Gallus. I'm a plastic surgeon in San Diego, California.
How common is it for someone to come in and ask for a reduction in lift at the same time?
That's also pretty common. People want to be more lifted, and there is a little bit of confusion about when you do a breast reduction if you're going to get lifted at the same time. I've seen that even when I was in a insurance-based practice and would do reductions. Oftentimes, the perioperative nurse would be like, "There's no breast lift on this consent. It just says breast reduction." I'm like, yeah, you can't do a reduction without lifting the breast. They are two separate procedures. In one, you're removing tissue, and in one, you're not. But in both of them, you're lifting. And so there's confusion amongst patients about that. And so I'm very careful to educate patients that we are going to be lifting your breast. We are going to downsize your areola. We are going to reshape your breast as part of making it smaller. It would be really hard not to, but...
This is why we come to you.
I also learned to tell patients that I don't put drains in for breast reduction because I know I don't put drains in, and I haven't been putting drains in for 15 years. But I forget that there are people who still do that and that patients are concerned about that. And the look of relief when I'm like, oh, and also you will not be getting a drain is palpable.
You can tell if somebody's been on the internet too much, if they're relieved by that information.
Yes.
Where can we find you on Instagram?
I am at Restore SD, as in San Diego Plastic Surgery.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Thanks.
Links to our guest's website and contact info are in your show notes. Follow us on Instagram at WhereBeforeMeetsAfter. If you're a board-certified plastic surgeon and would like to be a guest or a sponsor of the show, go to wherebeforemeetsafter.com for more information. Where Before Meets After is a production of The Axis, the podcast agency for aesthetics. TheAxis.io.